Today we are going to discuss select options and what are the advantages and how it works. We'll see that. CT53, 15th December, select options. Okay. Data vMatrix type. Matrix parameters P Martner is type P Martner. And P Martner type P Martner, and this should be vMatrix. Okay. Data vMatrix type, vMatrix, vMatrix type, vMatrix. Select options S-Matrix for vMatrix. So in selections, what we are actually doing, it creates select option. This syntax creates an internal table. It structures the record but captures one record at a time. Okay. It records one record at a time. vMatrix and type matrix, but let's first run this one. Check vMatrix is not defined in this structure. If vMatrix is unknown. Very slow right now. We check again so that we can actually have a visibility of what's missing, and then we'll add the code. Okay. vMatner is unknown, but there is a field with a similar name pMatner. Okay, so we add very slow, very slow. Okay. pMatrix type matrix. So this. Okay. And vMatner type Matner. Check. Okay. Activate. SMatner. It gives us a range. Okay. And pMatner is one field. So select options gives us option to select a range. Okay. So let's select a range. Material description. Material. Material type. Material type. Material description. Material class. Material by material group. Okay. Material group, I guess it's PK raw. And we have wrought iron 70 38 39. Execute. Let's look at the code. Write vMatner, SMatner. Okay, it is giving us the material. Okay. Select option SMatner for vMatner, vMatner type Matner, vMatrix type vMatrix, and vMatrix. It's not producing any more details. Anyways. So coming back to the code. So select options creates internal tables. Data vSpras type spras, which is language. Select options spras for vSpras. So S is for select options for vSpras. Okay, so internal tables and work area created with a header line, and internal tables and header line share the same name. Okay, so data IT Mac type standard table of MAKT, and data IT Mac type standard table of MAKT with header line. Okay. Header line makes the work area separate. It works separately. It can work with header line, making it a separate work area. Okay, separate work area means that IT Mac will be an internal table and its work area will be will be separate. So ITMAC type standard table of MAC and ITMAC type standard table of MAC with header line. So let me add ITMAC Matner 100 Spras E test append to ITMAC, append to internal table. Matner 200 E test ITMAC append into internal table. Clear ITMAC. Okay, it is to clear the memory. So it will only clear the header line. So clear ITMAC with parentheses will clear the body. Okay, it will. So this will actually clear the header line, but this will clear the entire body. Okay, and loop at ITMAC end loop, and let's write vmat smat vmac text. ITMAC was already declared. Okay, with header line. Matner, smatner, Spras. We'll keep it open. Execute. Okay. Data vmactex type mactex vmatna spras data IT type IT mac type standard table of mac with header line. Select options smatner, which is it gives option spras for vspras. Again, spras will be multiple languages. Select all from mac into table IT mac where matner is equal to smatner, and select from mac into table ITMAT where matner in smatner. Okay. Okay. Now, right matner vspras smatner. Check. Smatner is producing 038039. Express. Select all from MAC into table IT MAC where matner is equal to smatner. Okay, so let me change the syntax. Select all from mapped into table item where matner in S matner. Now, in basically includes and exclude what user wants the values to be included and excluded. So activate. You know, execute. Fifty-two to 239 is not taking the whole range. Okay. So when using in, let me run the previous program. I want to show you something. Okay, shift control F12 and we'll run the debugger, direct processing, execute. IT Mac. IT Mac structure. Okay, I'll add the parentheses here and these brass IT Mac S Matner. S Matner. Okay. F5 and I'll run the debugger. I have to 2039. Okay. C38. Okay. Loop, right. 039 execute. Okay. Loop at IT mapped and IT map. But first I want vmatna, spras, vspras, pmatna, matna, S matner. Okay. Double click. Okay. S pras, S matner. This will get me the header line of that table. IT mapped. Okay. And F5. F5. Matna 400, 100, and 400. Okay. Direct processing 100 to 400, 400, execute. S Matner. So if you see, it is referring to 100 to 400. It's showing all of the details. Okay. This is standard table and IT MACT. Okay. F5. Standard table, this is the header line. 100 to 400, it is actually printing. Okay. Let's write another program. GT53 15th December. Select options. 3. Select save local object. Data VMAX text type enters Matness Pras IT Max standard table of MAKT with header line. Header line is actually tells you everything about that table. PMatner, type Matner, piece pras, types pras, select all from MAKT into table IT map where Matner equals PMatner, which is parameter, and select all from MAKT into table IT with Matner equals PMatner and pras equals piece pras loop at IT mac. Write IT mac Matner pras IT mac text end loop. Okay. So activate. Control Shift F12 breakpoint direct processing PMatner chassis execute. Okay, execute FG English. IT Mac. Okay. 11.9 FG, and it is giving all the details. Header. F5. F5, F5, F5. LP9FG. Okay. Let's change the syntax. If piece process is not initial, means if it is not filled, piece process parameter of Spras language. Select all from MAKT into table IT where matna p matna and Spras equals p Spras. Loop add IT mact and loop active. Must be closed by end if okay. And if activate. Oh. Double click and it's gone. 11.9 FG execute. Execute. It still needs English. Okay. It shows English, but it's still not omitting it. If it is not initial, select all into Vetnar cross and if okay. Direct processing. Execute English. Execute. No, it still needs both of these options. We'll carry on from here.